Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we've got a grouping of the oscillators and a crossover brewing here. We've got a rejection of this area, not really tidy, actually very messy, and we've had a move down. So what I'm basically looking for at the moment is to see what's going to happen here. If it would come to me, so that's 36.48. So that's the area that we're going to be paying attention to, 36.48. We do have a flag break. So remember we spoke about the flag yesterday. There it is there. So we do have a break, but look how messy the break was. Wasn't that clean? And look at the oscillators on the 3-hour at the moment. And the other thing we need to pay attention to is the fact that the 3-hour moving averages are flat and prices in between them. So that could turn out to be a range. That is also very possible. So we had results are coming through as analysts are expecting. So that's not really offering us any signals at the moment. There's nothing earth-shattering there. And if you look at that, it does look like we're just ranging in a bigger range here. So a typical setup, inner range and outer range. Look at the oscillators here. So if we just drill down to the hour, you know, what happened the last 2 days, there hasn't really been an opportunity for me. So for as long as we're just mucking around like this, I'm not really interested in getting myself burnt. So the area I'll be paying attention to is here, 38.48, 38.50 area. I suspect we're probably going to bounce off that back to the upside. But yeah, is this a flag break, or are we actually talking about a potential range? So, you know, if I do this, there's our range, or if I do that, there's our flag, and then if I move that down, there's our channel. Sorry, not range, channel. So this is really, really messy. Delete that, drop down to the 15-minute, and we did get a rejection of the 155 here late in the session. So if you stick to the 15-minute at the moment, we're looking for rejections. We're looking to trade to the downside. So there is my first level. So that's one that makes the most sense. That is 36.94. Round that up to 3700. And if we reject that area, then I would suspect we have another move to the downside targeting 36.48. Dropping below 36.48, then we're looking at this area here, which is 35.74. So that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. So it's going to be sort of lower time frame trading if you've got the time for that. And you can see the 6-minute would have got you, if you're just trading moving average, would have got you in over here somewhere. And that was around the open, actually. So around the open you would have got that in. Anyway, that's kind of my view today. It's still, it's not concrete. It can go either way. It's very much looking like it's trying to settle in this range. And often when that happens, if we can get let's just go back to 3-hour, you know, often when you get this kind of range on the higher time frames, it starts becoming a little bit easier to trade the ranges, because then you're looking to buy off the bottom and you're looking to sell off the top. But it's, yeah, at the moment for me, this is really, really messy. So until we break through in a direction, and especially on the 3-hour, I want to see these moving averages pointing up or pointing down before we commit to a direction. So at the moment, that's not happening. So it is sit on hands right now. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.